Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Lee and I'm here to make sure you can use Excel quickly and easily with our digestible video tutorials. In this one, we're going to be talking about how to use the autofill function in Excel. Using autofill, you can quickly populate tables with data series, such as numbers, month names, dates, or any other type of patterned data. To create a series of numbers, for example, all you need do is type in the first two numbers, for example 1 and 2, and then drag the bottom right-hand corner of the selected area down. This will generate as long a series as you need. If you have a column of numbers, such as ones only, that you want to turn into a number series, you can use the Autofill options menu in the bottom right-hand corner. Simply select Fill Series, and the cells will be populated with the desired values. The autofill feature is also great for creating series of even numbers, days of the week, expressions ending in a number which should increase, quarters, and any other data with a pattern. So, what do you think? What other series could be created with the autofill function? Share your ideas in the comments section below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join us. Learn how to use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.